Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shubhasri Ma'am. I hope all of you are fine. Today we will do exercise 1A, sum number 11, 12 and 13. So let us start. First sum number 11. If A equals to minus 9 and B equals to minus 6, so that A minus B not equals to B minus A. We have to show this. Okay, so first we will do what? We will find out the left hand side. Which is our left hand side? A minus B. So we will write A minus B. Now put the value of A and B. The value of A is what? Minus 9 and B equals to minus 6. So let's start second bracket, then minus 9 keep inside the first bracket, minus value of B is minus 6, that you also keep in the first bracket. Now remove the first bracket, minus 9 minus minus plus 6, second bracket close. One is negative integer, other one is positive integer, so subtraction, and see minus sign is with the bigger number. So in your answer what will come? Minus 3, not plus 3. Okay, so remember this. Let's start the right hand side. Our right hand side is what? That is B minus A. So write B minus A. Now we will put the value. The value of B is what? Minus 6. So let us start first second bracket. Keep minus 6 inside the bracket, minus, and value of A is minus, and that also you keep inside the bracket. Now remove the first bracket. Second bracket, minus 9 minus minus plus 9, second bracket close. Now again one is negative and one is positive. We will do subtraction, but you see the plus sign is with bigger number, so it will be plus 3. So left hand side minus 3, right hand side plus 3. So yes, left hand side not equals to right hand side. We have proved. Now go for the next sum. Sum number 12. The sum of two integers is minus 16. If one of them is 53, find the other. Now see, the two, they are talking about two integers. We have to work. So let us take these two integers are A and B. Okay. Now what you will do, they said the sum of these two integers is minus 16. So you will write A plus B equals to minus 16. Now say they said one of them is 53. So let's take A equals to 53. So 53 plus B equals to minus 16. Now children see, B is variable term, we will keep left hand side, and the constant term 53 we will shift to the right hand side. So B equals to minus 16 minus 53. 53 has come from left hand side to right hand side. So the sign has changed. Both are minus. So we will do addition. And in our answer we have to keep minus sign. So our answer is what? B equals to minus 61. So the other integer is what? Minus 69. Okay, this is our answer. So let's go for the next sum. Sum number 13. The sum of two integers is 65. If one of them is minus 31, find the other. Same like the previous sum, again two integers we have to work on. So we will take two integers, let's A and B. So let the two integers B, A, comma, B. And now one of them is minus 31. Let us take B equals to minus 31. So first let us write A plus B equals to 65. So now B equals to minus 31. You can take A also minus 31, no problem. So let's start A plus B minus 31, keep inside the bracket, equals to 65. Now just remove the bracket. A plus minus 31 equals to 65. Now we will take the minus 31 constant term to the left, from left hand side to right hand side. Means A equals to 65 plus 31. So A equals to what? A equals to 96. So the other integer is what? 96. This is our answer. Hope all of you understood. If anyone has any doubt, please ask me in the comment box. I will reply. Today is this much and bye bye.